There's some curious statues here. Got some cubs fighting. It looks like a fox and their kids. And there's a real one. I don't know how well you can see in the water. Got some ducks here, but there's some massive fish in here. Look at that. Look at them compared to the ducks. That's incredible. Alright, we're back at the gatehouse. I was here a couple weeks ago, but this time we're actually going to find the big rock in the waterfall. I didn't mention the big rock before, but there's a big rock as well, called the Pebble, appropriately. We found it, the Pebble. This is my 6'5" dad walking up to it for reference. Look at that monster. Incredible. Wow. Alright, looking under it. It's pretty incredible. It just goes on and on and on. Wow. This way to Waterfall. Alright. We have many series of pools down there, all leading up to the big fall, which is around the corner here, I guess. I can see railings. Incredible. There it is. Wow. There used to be a bridge up there at the top. It's not there anymore. Cool. Alright, I'm a little closer to the falls now. Just teetering on this ledge here. Got the boardwalk back there. But it's nice. Look at that. Incredible.
I see trees of green, red roses too. I see them bloom for me and you. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. I see skies of blue and clouds of white, the bright blessed day, the dark sacred night. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
Grabbing it. Come on, nice. I gotcha. Good morning, Internet. I've done a lot of wild things in my life. But doing an unboxing video first thing in the morning definitely takes the cake. Here it is. And I'm in the kitchen for a reason. This is a jet ski exclusive unboxing video. Roll it. Voila. What is that? Well, I've had a little issue with figuring out what to have for breakfast lately, and got to a point where I just skip breakfast and wait till lunch before I have my first meal of the day. But I came across a lot of extra English muffins, so I got me one of these to make things easier. Breakfast sandwiches all day. It's a double breakfast sandwich maker. Alright, so the first thing it wants me to do is to spray the parts with cooking spray. Then I plug it in. While that heats up, I'm gonna get the ingredients out. I take 2 English muffins, give them a quick toast so I can cut them in half. Got my cheese, my Canadian bacon, and eggs. Alright, now we're going to put down the first stuff. Put the bread in the bottom, bacon on there, and the cheese on top of that. We'll close that. 1 egg. 2 egg. And put the bread on top and close. And now we wait. I got ahead of myself a little bit already, but I moved the plates out and let's see how we did. Looks pretty good to me. Alright. Oh geez. Oh my. This cheese makes things very slippery. There we go. Alright, now wait for it to cool off and yeah, there they are. Gorgeous. Although I'll probably use a different type of cheese in the future and keep it from sliding around like this. It is a bit complicated, but a lot of fun inventions like this tend to be so. But so far, I'll give it a 9 out of 10 would recommend. So I'm here at a local's secondary house here with Matthias. We're emptying it out. There's been lots of interesting stuff up here. We had to find a source of light, so I was like, hey, and I just stuck my knife in the wall and hung the lantern by. Genius.
Been there for about 45 minutes, I think.
Yeah, it's still hanging on. They've got the floor caving in random spots and all sorts of adventure. A lot of it's outside already. Here's some of the fun stuff getting tossed. Got a super nice Barbie Aston Martin.